Welcome! If you're looking to send multiple photos in a chat on Instagram using your PC, this guide will walk you through the latest update that makes sharing your favorite moments even easier. Let's jump right into the steps so you can start sending multiple images in just a few clicks. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Instagram.com. Log in with your account details and you'll land on your Instagram homepage. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Click on the Messages icon. It looks like a little speech bubble or paper airplane. This will open up your direct messages, where all your conversations are listed. Next, scroll through your chats and find the conversation where you want to send your photos. Click on that chat to open it. At the bottom of the chat window, you'll see the message bar. Look for the small photo icon. This is your gateway to sharing images. Click on the photo icon, and a File Explorer window will pop up. Now, choose the first photo you want to send from your computer. Select it and click Open. You'll see the photo appear, ready to upload. But here's where the new update shines. Right after you've chosen your first photo, you'll notice an option that says, Upload another photo or video. Click on this, and you can select more images from your computer. Repeat this step for as many photos as you want to share in that chat. Once you've added all your photos, take a quick look to make sure everything is in order. When you're ready, just click Send. All your selected photos will be delivered together in the chat, making it easy to share entire albums or collections with friends, family, or colleagues. That's it. With this new update, Instagram on PC finally makes it simple to send multiple photos in a chat, saving you time and letting you share more memories in one go. Try it out today and enjoy seamless photo sharing right from your computer. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.